All right, guys, in today's video, this will be brief, but I'm going to show you something powerful in Canva. If you're like me, I use Canva a lot for my business. I create books in Canva, images. I create videos in Canva. I mean, I could go on and on. I love Canva. And if you're like me, you want to make sure that the product that you are creating is going to attract eyeballs. Well, today we're going to talk about how you can take an image, upload it into Canva, and make that image a video. Now, ninja tip, if you bring an image over and it is absolutely busy, like it's just got too much going on with regards to text, probably not going to get good results. I found that the image to video in Canva doesn't really like to have massive amounts of text. It likes to grab the text and move it around, and sometimes it doesn't spell it properly. So I tend to stay away from that. I'm looking at building an image that I can use on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook Reel. I mean, just all over there. I also want to create images. I'm going to call it A/B roll. When I'm shooting a video as a realtor, let's say I'm doing a video on the top 5 things you need to know about my neighborhood, right? Or about this neighborhood. You can use the strategy I'm going to show you. And I couple this with ChatGPT. I create images in ChatGPT and bring them over and animate them. So the applications are very broad, wide in what you can do. But let me just give you a couple quick examples of how this works. My wife was working on an image of Grogu from The Mandalorian for a project she's working on. And so I grabbed that image from her and I brought it over and I animated it. Guys, I want you to see this. Look at this image. This was a still image, and I simply animated it, or Canva did. Can you imagine putting some music background to that or overlay text when it's done and sharing that? You're going to get a lot of eyeballs. Here's an image that I created of me. This particular image I wanted to animate for, again, Facebook. So if you want to animate an image, once you upload it and bring it over, simply click in it. You hit the edit image, and you have all of these amazing different enhancement tools. This is the one that I'm using, image to video. So I've already done it. Not going to eat up my credits to do it again, but here is that image complete in Canva. Oh my goodness. That will absolutely grab eyeballs to your social media post. And again, I can take this image, go to speed, and I can slow it down, maybe go back 1, and then bring this back over here, and I can take that image, slow it down a little bit to take it from 5 seconds to maybe 8 seconds, right? Crazy stuff. Now, I went over to ChatGPT and I said, I want an image that is animated, like a graphic comic book of children playing in a playground in a neighborhood with some mothers in the background watching. I downloaded this image. I brought it over. Now, I want you to see the application for this image. Okay, here's the image. I did the same thing. I hit edit, and I turned it into a video. And guys, I want you to see something. When I brought the image over, I wanted to have something in this application. Let's say I'm doing a video on a specific neighborhood in my city, and that neighborhood is known for its children's park, children's playground, maybe a dog walking park. But here, they've got an amazing playground for kids, and I'm doing a video talking about it. This would be a great B-roll video to put on screen while I'm talking. And guys, Canva took this image and turned it into this video. Tell me that is not gonzo. I mean, that is amazing. And it's just a simple image. Your videos are only going to be governed by your imagination. So if you can think of it, Canva can help you edit it and make it a video. Now, again, as I said at the beginning, if you try and do an image that's too complicated and massive amounts of text, probably this application isn't what you want. You're looking to create an image to video that is a pattern interrupt. It's going to capture their eyes. It's going to do exactly what you want, maybe an A/B roll for a video you're shooting, or a Facebook or Instagram post, something that will catch their eye that's different. Most agents aren't doing this. You could be that agent, or you could be that business owner. So let's go up here and I'm going to show you another one. So Canva has this really cool thing. Let me see if I can put, well, it's not going to do it. Let me go up here. Let me go up here. All right. Canva has this really, really cool thing that it allows you to, let me see if I can find it. Background generator. So I used that feature and it let me type in what I wanted. And I said, I want an image of a nice, expensive boat animated on a lake. And then I want houses behind it that were for sale. Right now, can you imagine if you're doing a spotlight on a lakefront neighborhood? This is the image. And this image was created by Canva. I could do the same thing in ChatGPT, but I just kept it all in house. Look what it gave me, guys. Look at this image. Look at the car back there. And you have for sale signs kind of in the background. And can you imagine creating this as an A/B roll as you're talking about maybe Acme subdivision, Acme City's premier lakefront subdivision, blah, blah, blah. Guys, that is absolutely amazing. Now, I'm going to show you one more thing. Do you guys notice the branding behind me? It says Honey Badger Ninja. It's hard to see. And then you've got this guy right here. This is a honey badger who's dressed up like a ninja. Well, I wanted to do something for my brand. Guys, watch this. I uploaded that image. That image. This is what it gave me. That is, I'm going to find a way to use that image. That is crazy. And if you'll notice again, I don't have a lot of text there, so it came out really well. I'm going to show you one more. Here's an image for my direct mail platform called Card Genie. Yes, I own my own direct mail company. I've got the most amazing direct mail platform on the planet. If you want to check out how you can send free postcards every month, unlimited, look in the description. I'll drop my webinar. It's worth looking at. It's the most amazing direct mail platform on the planet. That's it for the shameless plug. Here's an image that I created, and I asked Canva to make it a video, and look what it did. And it's all related to sending postcards, sending letters. That is absolutely crazy. So guys, I want you to, if you've got Canva Pro, you're going to need Canva Pro, explore these options. Please be advised, if you get in there and start just generating tons of stuff, you could governor how much you're able to do for the month. I don't like to go in and just because it's there, create 15 image to videos a day. You're not going to have enough credits. I don't know how much I get, but I get quite a bit. Like, I mean, I'm able to do a lot with the AI features in Canva. So check out on your plan how much you have, and you can actually go in and check every couple days what your usage is and how much you have left. But really think about how you can up the game on your projects utilizing Canva image to video. It's amazing, and have fun with it, guys. All right, you know the drill. Make sure that you guys subscribe to the channel. You hit the notification bell when we drop these videos. And if you want more information like this, stay with us on the journey. And if you are a realtor, why not put my $100,000 a month marketing team to work for you for free? If you want to find out how we will help you scale to 1 to 3 closings a month, it's the most ambitious thing you've ever seen, and you don't have to pay for it. Look into the description below. Join us on our Thursday live webinar where we show you how to access our team for free to run all your advertising, to run your marketing campaigns. Guys, there's nothing like it that I've seen in 20 years. Check it out. All right, we'll see you on the next video.